This is New York City Radio. It is 77 degrees outside on this great Independence Day. We hope you and your family are having a great Independence Day and... Wait. Hold on. It looks like we are getting an alert. We will play it for you.
This is not a test, this is a national emergency. Important details will follow. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government in the North American Aerospace Defense Command at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 30 intercontinental ballistic missiles that have been launched by Russia have been launched at the United States and our NATO allies. It has been confirmed that the intercontinental ballistic missiles have nuclear warheads. At this time, please move to an underground bunker or shelter. Bring at least 14 days of food, water, a hand-cranked radio or battery-powered radio with extra batteries, and medical supplies. The locations the nuclear missiles will hit are Washington, D.C., New York City, New York, Trenton, New Jersey, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Los Angeles, California, Atlanta, Georgia, San Francisco, California, Dallas, Texas, Tampa, Florida, Jacksonville, Florida, Nashville, Tennessee, Memphis, Tennessee, Savannah, Georgia, and almost every other major city in the continental United States. The United States had retaliated by launching 500 nuclear missiles back at Russia. This is a message from the president or from one of his representatives.
My fellow Americans, this is a dark time in American history. As you have heard, Russia has launched nuclear weapons at the U.S. and our NATO allies. It is to be known that this is not the end of the U.S. nor our NATO allies. We will rebuild after these devastating strikes and still be the strongest nation ever to exist. We will also punish our enemy with approximately 500 nuclear weapons. Even though this day is filled with gruesome events, we will overcome this darkness. Thank you and God bless America and our NATO allies.
That was a message from the president. We will...